Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pet-safe floor cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Better Life Naturally Pet Safe Floor Cleaner. Hitting the top spot as our best choice option is this pet-safe hardwood floor cleaner from Better Life. Suitable for use on a wide range of sealed floors, this option provides excellent coverage and offers unbeatable value for money. A pack of 2 gives 32 fluid ounces for you to work with, without the need to dilute, yet still providing a surprising amount of coverage for each use. Pet owners can use this with a steam mop, or a damp string, fabric, or sponge option, and users will be left with the delicate scents of bergamot and citrus, leaving your home smelling clean, too. Completely non-toxic, and not tested on animals, this is the ideal choice for animal lovers and pet owners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Puracy All-Purpose Cleaner Concentrate. Able to make up to 1 gallon worth of cleaning fluid, this plant-based, all-natural floor cleaner is completely safe and suitable for households with pets. Able to be used on all surfaces, thanks to its natural ingredients, this is a great option for all surfaces. You can even use this on kitchen countertops, right through to smartphones and tablets. Providing such a great all-in-one option, this pet-safe product is ideal for busy households, as well as those looking for a great all-purpose cleaner. Leaving you with a natural fragrance, this is loved by pet owners across America for being gentle yet powerful, as well as being suitable for pets. At number 3, we have the Aunt Fannie's Vinegar Wash Concentrate. Hugely popular with buyers and providing the best price available, this white vinegar-based dog-safe floor cleaner has been created with pets in mind. While most vinegar-based products can leave a bitter smell behind, this pet floor cleaner has been able to beat harsh odors with a pleasant eucalyptus scent. Although other scents are available too, we particularly love the fresh scent of this option. Completely safe for sealed wood and stone flooring, this is an all-natural option that has proven to be a massive hit with buyers. Cruelty-free and never tested on animals, this is a great choice for any animal lovers out there, as well as being safe for kids. Customers even noted that one purchase goes a long way, making this even better value for money, overall. At number 2, we have the Bean & Lily Floor Cleaner. Bean & Lily's floor cleaning is ideal for cleaning up pet messes as it is not an overly harsh product and is capable of overriding the difficult smell of an accident. Though keep in mind that this is a floor cleaner and not an all-purpose cleaner, meaning if your pet has an accident on the couch, you will need an alternative cleaning solution. This cleaner is non-toxic and free from any harmful chemicals, which makes it both baby and pet safe, and ideal for routine cleaning, as there's no worry of dangerous chemicals lingering on your floor. This does only come with one scent, cedar and cypress, however, we appreciate that they haven't gone for the standard citrus smell, offering buyers a change of pace. And finally at number 1, we have the Method Hard Floor Cleaner. The Method floor cleaning solution is perfect for someone in a hurry. There's no need to mess around setting up a mop and bucket and carefully diluting the solution, you simply squirt it straight into the floor. This is a pre-diluted and balanced option, making it one of the ideal non-toxic floor cleaners for someone with very little time to get the house in order. Furthermore, this is a gentle formula that won't irritate your dog's paws, meaning it's safe for them to walk on immediately after cleaning, once the floor is dry. Though it is a mild cleaning solution, it is effective at removing surface grime and refreshing up a room quickly and with ease. However, this cleaner is not designed to remove tough stains, which is something to be mindful of before use.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon